Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education Major Food Service Management program is grounded in the belief that the food service industry plays a critical role of economic, social, and cultural development in the Philippines. Our program is committed to producing competent and effective technical vocational educators who can contribute to the growth and development in the industry by providing quality education, training, and seeks to foster a culture of excellence, integrity, and responsibility. Values the development value, ethics, and professionalism among our students. The program aims to develop and motivate teachers and technical vocational education in their area of specialization. The technical vocational curriculum shall impart a body of knowledge, skills, attitude, values, and experiences will provide prospective grade 9 to 10 LE teachers, senior high school teachers, and tech voc livelihood track, TVET in trainers or instructors and faculty members in higher education institution with the necessary competencies essential for effective teachings.